guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Friends, in today's video we are going to talk about some advanced English vocabulary. Vocabulary that is going to help you score great bands in your speaking as well as writing exam. So, these words have been present all this while, but it's just that we have not been using them. So today I'm going to tell you these 10 different words. I'm also going to tell you how to pronounce those words because pronunciation is equally important. So let's not waste time and get going with the words. So the first word is apprehension. Now as you can see the word on the screen, apprehension, and now you can see the pronunciation. So we are going to break this word into 3 different parts. The one is apprehension. So the word becomes apprehension. Now what is apprehension? Apprehension is basically the anxiety or feeling that something bad is going to happen. So that is apprehension for you. Going towards the next word. The next word is diligent. Now how do you pronounce this? Di-luh-jnt. Diligent. Now what is diligent? Diligent basically means having or showing cares towards someone, or it also means someone who is very conscious about its duties. Alright, so like for example, some people say that no diligence towards their duty, it means their consciousness, their concern towards their duties. So now going towards the next word. The third word today is expend. Now all this while you people have been using the word spend. Spend means maybe go and use something. So expend also means the same. Now the word is expend. E-X-P-E-N-D, as you can see on the screen, and the pronunciation is expend. Alright, so next word is a new word. This is known as Haitus. The pronunciation is Haitus. So it becomes Haitus. Now what is Haitus? Haitus is basically a pause or break in continuity. So when you're doing something continuously and then all of a sudden a break comes, it's known as Haitus. The next word is Jaded. So how do you pronounce this word? We basically say it as Jaded. So it becomes jaded. Now what is jaded? Jaded is basically showing or having lack of enthusiasm or lack of zeal towards something. So that is jaded. Say like, I was playing since morning, it's been 8 hours, I've been continuously playing, and now I don't have any enthusiasm left to have another remarkable play. So that is being jaded. So the next word is one of my favorite words. The word is nuance. So you can see the spelling on the board, and the pronunciation is in 2 parts. One is new, second is an, so it becomes nuance. So basically the meaning of nuance is a slight difference in something. It can be in a way of expression, or you can find the difference in sound. So that is nuance for you. Now going towards the next word. The next word is pragmatic. The pronunciation is pragmatic. It is basically dealing with something realistic in a real sensible manner. Alright, so the thing you're talking about, it is based totally on a practical approach rather than just the mere theory. Now moving towards the next word. The next word is quench. You would have surely heard this word a lot of times before. Quench basically means to satisfy. Now it can be anything. For example, if I'm thirsty, I drink some water. So basically I'm quenching my thirst. Going towards the next word. The next word is sheer. You would have also heard this word before, but I don't know, you might have used it or not. The spelling ends with R, but the pronunciation, it ends with a slight touch of H, as you can see over here. Sheer. Sheer basically means when you're laying emphasis on something, like it's a sheer luck that this thing happened. So I'm giving all the credit to the luck that this thing happened as a result. Now moving towards the last word of this video, the word is vein. W-A-N-E. And the pronunciation is vein. Like we talk about in our body, arteries and veins, V-E-I-N. So basically vein means when you're able to see just a small part of something bigger. That is known as vein. So friends, these are the 10 words which are of advanced English vocabulary which you should try to use in your day-to-day communication in terms of speaking, or you should also use in terms of writing as well. So if anyone has got a problem in any kind of word, in writing or in using, please feel free to write me down in the comment section. You can also visit my Facebook and Insta handle. There's a mentioned in the description section. So if you like this video, click like, share with your friends, and this was all about this video. Please keep following our channel for more videos. Till then, thank you so much.